little brother George. This is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. Chloe's big friends.
Peppa and her family are on their way to visit Cousin Chloe.
I love playing with big cousin Chloe.
Chloe!
And
Oh, Chloe. Hi there. These are my friends, Sarong and Unigwa.
You can call me Sarong.
And I'm Unigwa. It's short for Unigwa. I'm Peppa.
We'll call you Pe.
Oh.
which disgust.
And this is George. We'll call you Ja.
Oh.
You didn't tell us you had baby cousins, Chloe.
I'm not a baby, but you're both little. I'm a big...
Let's talk about music. I dig blues music.
I like Red's music. I like Green's music.
We don't like children's music.
No.
What music are you into? I like this. It's very grown up.
Fuck me. My tunnel loves a deep throat. Lick. I wanna eat your dick, but I can't fuck up my nails. So I'ma pick it up with chopsticks. Mouth wide open, mouth wide.
Mr. Skinny Legs.
Peppa is playing with her doll's house. George is playing too. Peppa is making a tea party for the doll family.
Here, George. I'm the mummy and daddy. You can be the children.
Which disgusting.
Children, it's nearly tea time, so you must wash your hands.
George is putting the dolls to bed.
Night. George, why are you putting the children to bed? They're having a tea party.
George likes putting the dolls to bed.
Children, come downstairs right now, or you won't get any cake.
George isn't listening. He's too busy putting the dolls to bed.
George, if you want to play with my doll's house, you have to help with the tea party. Here, George, you can fill the teapot with water. Ooh.
George has found a spider in the sink. George is putting the spider to bed.
Night. George, what are you doing? Help! Daddy! There's a spider in my bedroom. Whistling.
I'm whistling.
Oh,
Whistling is fun. You should try it.
I don't know how to.
It's easy. Just put your lips together and blow.
Oh my goodness.
Listen.
You smell that shit? Her breath smelled like straight up shit. It smelled like a toilet full of nasty ass shit, okay?
Try making a smaller O shape. Oh, like this. And then you can whistle a tune.
I've got the wrong kind of mouth. I've got the wrong kind of mouth.
What are you doing, Peppa?
I'm learning to whistle.
Oh, I see.
Mummy, can you whistle?
I don't know. I've never tried.
It takes a lot of practice.
Oh, yes.
Mummy Pig can whistle.
You can whistle because you are old, Mummy.
Thank you, Peppa.
George is in the bedroom, playing with his toy rocket.
George, I'm learning to whistle. You make an O shape with your mouth and blow. Don't worry, George. It's almost impossible, like wiggling your ears.
George can wiggle his ears.
Whistling is harder.
George can whistle.
Oh,
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
What's wrong, Peppa?
I can't whistle, but everybody else can.
Never mind. I'm making cookies. Would you like to lick the spoon?
No, thank you, Mummy. Can I ring Susie Sheep instead?
OK, Peppa.
Hello, Mrs. Pig.
Hello, Mrs. Sheep. Can Peppa talk to Susie, please?
Hello, Susie.
Hello, Peppa. What are you doing?
I'm learning to whistle, but I can't do it yet.
That sounds hard.
It's impossible. Can you whistle, Susie?
No.
Oh, good. I mean, that's sad if you can't whistle, but good because I can't whistle.
What's whistling anyway?
You put your lips together and blow.
Like this?